How to perform IMAP to IMAP migration. Are you planning to migrate your emails from one IMAP account to another, but worried about losing your important emails? Don't worry, we are introducing Regain IMAP to IMAP Migration tool. This software is 100% safe and offers multiple advanced features. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain IMAP to IMAP Migration tool. On Google search, open this website. This is our official website. From here you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's run the software and see how the IMAP to IMAP migration works. This is the dashboard of this software. Here, first click on the Login option. Here you can connect your Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, Hosting or Webmail, IMAP, or other accounts. You can see this software allows you to connect almost all IMAP servers. For the tutorial, let's connect the Yahoo Mail. Select the Yahoo Mail option. Then enter your Yahoo Mail address. Enter the correct password. In the password field, try to use app passwords. Many email clients like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Yandex, and other IMAP email clients allow you to create app passwords. After you enter the email address and password, simply click on the Login button. You can see the login is successful and all the folders of the Yahoo Mail account have been successfully imported. Now to migrate this Yahoo Mail mailbox to any other IMAP account, select the Mailbox Export Backup tab. From these options, select the IMAP option. Same as before, this window appears. Here you need to connect to your another IMAP account. As I have already connected the Yahoo Mail account, this time let's connect the Gmail account. So select Gmail or G Suite. Enter your Gmail address. Enter the main password of your Google account or enter app passwords, and then click on the Login button. Finally, click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and according to your mailbox size, it may take some time to complete the migration. Here you can see file conversion process has been completed. Now, to verify the migration, let's open Gmail. Here you can see all the folders of the Yahoo mailbox have been successfully migrated. So, the Yahoo Mail to Gmail migration has been successful. Following the same procedure, you can migrate from one IMAP account to another. Besides IMAP to IMAP migration, this software allows you to migrate to Office 365, exporting your mailbox data into multiple formats, and offers many more features. Let's quickly check out them. In order to migrate to Office 365, here select the O365 option. You can see there are two login methods available: basic authentication and multi-factor authentication. You can choose any one. For now, I will continue with multi-factor authentication. So first click on the Login Now button. Enter your Office 365 email address and click Next. Enter the correct password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. If you have turned on two-step verification or linked an authenticator app, you may see this window. Here, enter the verification code and click Verify. Now simply click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, your mailbox data will be started migrating to Office 365. According to your mailbox size, it may take a few minutes to finish the migration. When the message, File Conversion Process has been completed appears, it means your mailbox data has been successfully migrated to Office 365. Now let's see how to export your IMAP mailbox data into multiple formats. Here you have the option to export your mailbox into PST, EML, EMLX, MBOX, MSG, HTML, and PDF format. For this tutorial, I am selecting the PST format. You can select any other format as per your needs. After that, click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output PST file and click OK. Now click on the Start Backup Process button. As a result, the export process will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your device. So you have learned how to use this software for IMAP to IMAP migration, IMAP to Office 365 migration, how to export IMAP mailbox. But the features are not finished yet. Here, select the Mailbox Import Migration tab. Here, by clicking on the Upload Outlook File button, you can directly import your Outlook PST files into the IMAP account that you have previously connected to this software. And by clicking on the Upload MBOX and EML file button, you can import your MBOX and EML files. That's all the features of our Regain IMAP to IMAP migration tool. To enjoy the complete benefits, you can buy the premium version.